Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins here, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. Well folks, we have another month and that means another great hot stock panel. The hustle and bustle of summertime activities could have you scrambling for the best stocks to take advantage of. Don't fret because our all-star educational staff is right here for you. Our panels have been a hit with you guys on YouTube, and I promise this month won't let you down. This month's hot stock panel is titled The Hot Stocks for the Dog Days of Summer. We're going to talk about 7 stocks that you should consider. We will tell you why we like the stock, when to get in, and most of all, when to exit. Please join me and 2 other top-notch instructors live on YouTube Wednesday, August 4th, 2021 at 2 p.m. Eastern. Our panels are always informative and a lot of fun. Folks, you will walk away with some great picks for the summer to grow your portfolio. We also invite you to share this stream with other people in your social circle to let them know what we're doing over here at VectorVest. We do the analysis, you reap the rewards. We look forward to seeing you there.